Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to share with you my Cattleya haul from Sunset Valley Orchids. I ordered these plants a few weeks ago, so there's no unboxing for these plants. I'm just going to share with you what they look like, what the flowers are going to look like, and how they're doing in my environment so far. So first off, I got two of the same plant, which is the Laelia Zip. I've been looking for this plant for quite a while, ever since I encountered it, and it is an amazingly beautiful plant. The Laelia Zip is a cross between the Laelia tenebrosa and the Laelia milleri. With that cross, it creates such a large and beautiful flower. It has reddish bronze petals and sepals, and it's contrasted with a bright purple lip. I'm really looking forward to seeing these ones grow and seeing what the variation is between the two. It seems like one of them is going to have a redder hue, and the other one will have darker maroon petals. I've been really drawn to Laelias lately, especially the large ones, and I'm not sure why. I'm leaning more towards growing my cattleyas outdoors, and given the Southern California climate, I think they will do fine year-round outdoors. Laelias are known to be hardier and can handle the temperature fluctuations in my environment, so I'm hoping that I can grow a good Laelia collection. Next, I got a pair of spotted cattleyas. I'm really into this kind of leopard-looking spots on cattleyas, so these next ones look really similar. The first one is a species. It's a Laelia leopoldii, and this one has brown petals with spots and a bright purple lip. I guess you can say I really like that bright purple lip. These plants tend to be a summer bloomer with very waxy, durable flowers, and I'm really liking the look of them, so I'm hoping that these ones do well in my environment. So the next spotted cattleya is called the Cattleya Mareeba Tiger. This one is a Cattleya leopoldii crossed with a Cattleya schilleriana. I'm sure that this one will create an abundance of flowers, and it still has that same look as a leopoldii, but with some interesting variation to it. I'm really drawn to these types of flowers, and this year it seems like I'm getting pairs of things instead of single plants, just because I want to see what the difference in variation is. So the last plant that I got is an Encyclia Phoenicia. I haven't been really interested in Encyclias, but this one just really caught my attention. I think it's the star-shaped flowers and the fragrance that really caught my eye. Supposedly it has a chocolate vanilla fragrance, and I can't wait to see how this one will smell. So those are all the plants that I got from Sunset Valley Orchids, and for the past month they have been in quarantine away from the rest of my collection just to make sure that there's no pests or diseases on these plants. But I know Sunset Valley tends to have really great and really healthy plants, so I wasn't too concerned. Now that they're part of my general population, I put them outdoors so that they can get more sun, more natural air movement, and some rain since we're having a really wet spring. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates. And hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!